Welcome back, guys, for a new video of Tico, and today I'm at a big park. It does have some rides on it, and so I thought I should start the video with this mammoth. Look at this thing. And so we're going to go up it, but the problem is we can't. It's not a problem. It's not a good idea to go on the stairs because it's really high.
You see? Up there.
Yeah, it's like that. So what we'll do, we'll actually have to go on the lift. So when we get up, I'll show you guys. All right, so we are up. Oh my goodness, look at this view. Whoa. Whoa. Look at all the palm trees. I'm sorry if it's not clear. Whoa. Now this is the epic great view. Looks really nice. Now, that's the, I want to go on this. Oh, this is a water world. Look at it. And then there's the bright sun. And then we're back. So this is, we came with the car from there. Came like there, came all the way there, like that road, and then we came here, we kept going there and there, until we reached there, and that's there. Alright. Now, this. Here's the lift that we just went on. There it is. How's the view? How's the view? Cool. Yeah, it's great. Oh, and there's some military trucks. Look at how small the cars are. Look at how small the cars are. Just guys, look at. You can't even see the cars from here because the camera's on wide angle. Here's a nice light that I like to follow. Yeah. Oh, I like this. This is really nice. Look there, guys, this is how high it is. Nah, it's not easy to see. Yeah, it's just a small. Alright. Now I think this is the river. There's a river. There. I think that is the river. So, how's the view?
Oh, view's great.
Yeah, I know. It is really great. It's really nice. So, I just got something. this Kinder Maxi. Now I'm gonna eat it. I'm really happy that I'm gonna eat it. I'm just gonna go around and keep showing you guys if anyone just spotted something that magically just appeared, that is magically a natural phenomenon, that is magically there. Yeah, I know. Yeah, there. So, there it is, and we're back here. Okay. So, now, I think what we're going to do is we might go down. I might keep showing you. Okay? There's a theater. There it is. There's a theater. And there's a water world there. I just want to admire how much trees there are. Palm trees. There, and there, and there, and there, everywhere. So that's going to sum it up, and I am going to do a video on the amusement park, which is where? Let me find it. There. There it is. So I'm going to go on it. On something, not maybe on it, maybe where, somewhere. Alright, so that's going to sum it up. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. Put in the comments what you thought about this vlog. Goodbye. Amusement park, and I've already done a video on an amusement park, but this isn't a normal amusement park. This is a bigger one, a way bigger one. And so I've got Nargis here with me, and the whole family. And so, let's have fun. And I've already uploaded the tower video. So you guys, this is just the same park. Alright guys? So now, let's get cracking. Alright. Alright, so first up is the foam pit. I'll be going on the foam pit.
Okay.
2, 1. I've just fell in a hole of misery. Alright, now time to get out, which is the worst spot, which is the worst part and scenario. I am really struggling. Finally, I've got out of this mess. A nice mess, actually. Alright, and I'm planning on next to go onto the Dodgem cars. I may not. That's something. I might not. But he would. Maybe not. Alright. So let's go jumping. And I can't go there. Alright. So, time to jump on this trampoline. Really high. Okay. That was nice. Alright, my hands are just freely going. Okay.
Okay, guys.
So, time to go on the foam pit. This is Nargis' turn,
I'm gonna try walk.
but unfortunately she can't hold it. Alright, now go.
Try walk on them. So.
Don't walk on them, just jump in them. Try to get to the other side.
Okay.
Come on, in 3, and 2, and 1, and go. That was great, wasn't that? And guys, it's really cold. That steam comes out of your mouth. So that will sum up this video, and there's going to be a part 3 on the car. Alright? So don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button, and don't forget to comment what you want to see next. Goodbye.